If you're looking to seamlessly display a team schedule, event calendar, or project milestones directly on your Confluence page, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to insert a calendar into your Confluence page using the built-in team calendar macro. By the end, you'll be able to present key dates to your team in an eye-catching, centralized, and super organized way. No more scrambling through emails or separate tools to track what's coming up. Let's dive right in. The easiest and most effective method to add a calendar in Confluence is by using the native team calendar macro. Not only is it fully integrated into Confluence, but it also means you won't need to fiddle with third-party apps or complicated setups. So let's walk through each step together. First, you'll want to make sure you actually have a calendar created and ready to go. At the top of your Confluence site, you'll see the calendars link right in the header. Clicking on this takes you to your main calendar dashboard where you can see any existing calendars or make a new one. If your team already has a calendar set up, awesome, you can just grab it. But if not, go ahead and click to create a new calendar. Give it a clear, memorable name, like Marketing Campaigns Q3 or Sprint Deadlines, and be sure to assign it to the most relevant space so your teammates can find it easily. A well-organized calendar name now saves so much confusion later, trust me. Once your calendar exists, it's time to pick the Confluence page where you want people to see it. Open that page and click Edit in the top right. This puts you into editing mode so you can add new content, whether that's text, images, or in our case, the calendar itself. Now to insert the calendar, click in the spot of the page body where you want the calendar to appear. Just type a / like this. This pulls up the macro browser. It's Confluence's way of letting you add all sorts of dynamic content. Start typing Team Calendar and you should see it pop up in the list. Go ahead and select it. At this point, Confluence will ask you which calendar you want to embed. Choose Add Existing Calendar. Don't worry, this means you're linking to the calendar you've already created, not making a new one each time. Simply start typing the name of your calendar and it should appear in the search results. Once you see it, click Add. Before you finalize, take a moment to customize how your calendar displays. You'll see some settings. For example, you can adjust the dimensions. Setting it to something like 500 by 500 pixels often strikes a good balance between readability and not overpowering the other content on your page. You can also tweak who can see the calendar. Maybe you want it visible to all staff or just folks with edit permissions in that space. Double-check these settings to make sure your information is both accessible and secure. Once you're happy with how everything looks in the preview, just hit Save on your page. Pause here and look at your work. Your team calendar should now appear right on the Confluence page, ready for everyone to stay in sync. And that's it. You've just enabled your team to stay on top of key dates and deadlines without ever leaving your Confluence workspace. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps me out. Got a question or run into a snag? Drop your comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful Confluence tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.